Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Galaxy S10e. So here's a SIM card is not from Verizon Wireless. How can you fix your carrier lock and some SIM? Fix 1. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button. Tap on restart. Wait for the phone to turn back on and check if the message is gone. Fix to reinsert the SIM card. Turn off your Galaxy S10e. Remove the SIM card tray using the SIM eject tool. Take out the SIM card and check for dust or damage. Reinsert the SIM card correctly and put the tray back in. Turn on your phone. Fix 3. Check if the phone is unlocked. Make sure your Galaxy S10e is eligible for Verizon unlocking. If you are using a SIM from another carrier, verify that the phone has been unlocked. If it's still locked, you need to contact your Verizon customer support for help. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Open settings, tap on general management and go to reset. Select reset network settings, tap on reset settings and restart your phone. Fix 5. Update the software. Open settings, go to software update, tap download and install. Install any available updates and restart your phone. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.